It smells weird, Mike? Is that what you're saying? It smells weird?
Was that Renon's fart?
Yeah, I farted. That farted like 15 minutes ago.
Ass!
Yo, you're fucking pencil.
I'm a fucking pencil.
Yeah, fucking dick.
What did you guys eat for dinner? Chinese food?
Nah, we ate. Smells like Chinese food?
Yeah, that's yesterday, too.
Nah,
that's yesterday.
We ate an American burger.
I just dropped man.
Oh, that's not American.
AW. That just dropped man in my. That American?
It looked American.
Right on my foot.
Really? How? How?
It was like, I dropped like that much. Not when I pointed man.
Why?
I want to have another drink.
Fuck.
Victor, are you drinking beer? This is my sister's camera.
Shit.
Marcus is drinking beer too?
Yo, wait.
Diego picks up a beer to look cool? What are you serious?
I'll drink. Let's keep this PG.
Yeah, PG rated. Yo, Diego's got a girl. He has to be represented.
Zahra. Hold on.
Zahra.
Vodka, raspberry.
Vodka.
Budweiser.
We got more. We got a stock. We got a stock in here.
Travelodge. Yo, I think this is yours, Diego.
Travel.
You're the only one that poured beer inside the cup.
Right after.
Who would pour beer inside this cup?
And mix it, Diego.
Besides me. No, I drank that shit. I didn't want to waste another cup. I drank.
No, seriously. Oh, it smells like piss.
Oh, the piss
in it.
It smells like piss.
And you're touching
I got it.
No, it really does smell like piss.
Yo, Renan. Let's take our clothes off.
Diego, let's take.
No, right here. Side on side. Shit. Come on, man. Look at this stuff. Diego. Show me underwear.
Diego.
Show it to me. No, I want to show my underwear.
Go for it. He got my
side.
Come on, side. Look. Side.
No.
Let's get this from the front. Oh, lift it up. Alright, Diego, do that bounce. Make your dick bounce.
Did it bounce?
That was gay.
Did it bounce?
That was gay.
That's because the jeans are tight.
Homo.
That's because the jeans are tight. Ready? No!
Oh, that was gay.
This is his sister's camera, man. PG.
PG?
No,
PG
rated? G rated.
PG rated? Face only.
Oh,
that was gay.
What do you do?
He was like blowing the beer bottle. Show him how he did it. Show us how he did it. Come on, show us how he did it.
I cannot follow you.
I learned it from you.
No,
show us how you do it.
No, I don't do that shit, yo.
Alright, try it.
Nah, man.
How would you do it if you
do
it?
That's all, man. That's all I know.
That's all I know.
That's all I know. That's all I know from my experience, you know.
What kind of experience have you had, Marcus?
Pussy, you know.
Real believable. You're the man. I never had pussy. You're the man. How was it like? Tell us. It was the bomb, yo. Oh, shit.
That's what's up. Yo, that's
no. Tell us about pussy. Nah. Catch it. Tell us about pussy. You got that little triangle.
Don't talk about pussy.
The little triangle? Yo, real believable. When you triangle? I bet you lost when you were like 5. Bro, you're the man. You're just.
I don't know. I only know from the inside out.
No.
Because when I was coming out of my mouth, that's that cup.
No.
When I was coming out of my mouth,
explanation needed.
I only got the size of the pussy. But I think it's triangle. It came out like this.
No.
Because I was fat as shit. So that pussy got like, damn. That got big.
You were big.
Full set through the.
Yeah, you're right. You're fat as shit. You're the pussy, but you got a fat dick.
You got a fat dick.
Oh, shut up.
You said my dick's fat, yo.
I wish girls would say that, man.
You got all the guys saying that, huh?
I know. It's weird. Damn, it's not fucked up. But thanks, man. Thanks for the call.
How was the guy from the club? What's your boyfriend in the club?
Fuck you, Dave. You need to bring that up, man. It's not camera. You need to bring it up.
So what?
The dude fucking grind up.
He's all up on that ass.
He was. It's a good butt, yo. It's a good butt.
Yeah, like that.
It's fluffy.
Stand up and let's see it.
No, come on.
No, show it. Do it.
Jiggle it. Give it a butt. Oh, there you go. Smack that.
No.
Yes, Diego. No homo. Okay, it's all right. Guys, it's no homo. That's
no good. You can fuck a dude and say no homo.
Diego, let me grab your dick. No homo. No homo.
No! Come on, man. I don't want to see that.
No. No homo. No.
No homo?
I said no homo.
No homo? Alright, cool.
That's a nice ass. The guy was all up in that ass for like 5 minutes.
No, fuck you.
For 5 minutes.
No.
He's eating shit like.
Yo, this dude touched my friend. He let the dude grind on me and didn't tell me shit.
So Marcus, there's somebody grinding on him. He's just hoping it's a girl.
Yo, no. He didn't touch me, yo.
That's entertaining.
He did not touch my brother.
No, I didn't touch him.
Yo, I was like dancing behind him.
Yo, Marcus, for a few seconds, he was like, oh, yeah.
And then you look back. He's like, oh, whoa. No.
I'm sorry. You just
He's like, move, man. I told him, yo, go somewhere else.
No, I know you did it. He said, what are you doing? He said, you just jumping around.
Yo,
You're just jumping around. It's like, alright,
there's no peanut or contact.
Yeah, right. You thought that shit go, wow.
No.
Woo, almost unite. Hey, I want to be in the video too.
Now, it's my boy Ryan up here.
Oh, show me that one in the club.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, we're just dancing. Oh, no, we did it
Hey.
Oh, Diego, come on, what's up,
Diego,
man?
fuck you.
That was not in the club. Don't tell me that is not my towel. Seriously. I want to go smell like beer in the club today.
No, they give us new towels when the people come.
They did, but you know, if it's new, they're not giving up today.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, this
Oh,
man,
yeah.
thank you.
What are you French in French?
We got porno.
Look at his chest.
Porno in the hotel. No. Camera, porno in the hotel.
Porno virgin. Look. Listen to this shit. 40-year-old virgin.
No, shh.
Let me catch the sound.
We gotta keep it PG.
If they deem it dirty, they do a call. I'm back.
I remember this. Oh, this is jacuzzi, right?
Tu ne peux faire homo kaya. Alright, cool. That's enough of that.
Shit, who was the smart ass who put the beer on the floor?
That was me.
Now let's have it live.